So again, let me remind you guys again, whatever I'm going to say is all fiction, okay? So, Nowadays, the things are not the same things anymore, right? The same things are not the same things anymore as well. Let's just take the word loneliness for an example. Loneliness, such a heavy word it is, right? But nowadays, it has become a cool word. It is like, if you're lonely, you can just take a selfie of yourself and post it on social media. But don't forget to put an emotional background music so that you could be cool, right? And just like that, there's also another stuff. Like nowadays, you get ashamed for ridiculous things, ridiculous reasons. You get ashamed for things like being single. Being single. You know what does it mean to actually be single? Being single means being one person. It's like they are making a single person ashamed for being single. Like you're walking on the road and somebody is like, why aren't you multiple? Bro, I just came out like this, what can I do? Right? Now see, why I'm bringing the topic of being single is that I went on a few good dates a few months back and I decided that I should end my career on a high. Because, I used to date, but now I've retired, alright? I was walking out and she was like, are you leaving me? No, I'm leaving the business. Because it is hard. It is really hard in the dating community. They don't even say the same thing anymore. They don't even say we are dating anymore. They say stuff like, we are seeing each other. Are you guys dating? Are you guys dating? No, she's just visible. Whenever I open my eyes, she's there. Like that. If things move forward, we will smell each other. And consent from both our ends, we will taste each other. See, that's why whenever we are kissing, we tend to close our eyes. Because if we open our eyes, then we will see each other. No seeing each other, alright? See, you should never ask your friends for advices, especially boys. I asked my friends how to be on dates, and they were like, oh, look out for body language. Body language was fine, alright? But body language, technically speaking, orderly speaking, whatever language we speak from our mouth, and our mouth is a part of the body only. So every language is a body language, isn't it? and I have been speaking from my mouth for the past 16 years. Never thought I should try legs. Because you see, guys make girls sound like some kind of an alien species that they have just made contact with. Like, somebody told me they speak with their eyes. Eyes. Okay, I accept that, alright. But then the second tip that they always give me is always listen to them. Listen to them whenever they're emotional or they need some kind of an emotional support. Okay then, I will listen. But how will I listen if they're speaking with their eyes? Because, see, I'm a human, alright? I'm a human, and I certainly know that I do not have the ability to listen from my mouth, alright? So, out is also one of the commonly used word in the community of dating. I would say, in terms of dating community, I would say that out is the most played word. Asking out, making out, going out. Who decided to ask out anyway? How indoors have we become as a community of species, right? Now you see, friends, they give weird advices, okay? Now there are some kind of friends that you should avoid. Like, people say, if you have bad somebody, you will become also like them. You will also become like them. If you are with bad people, you will also become bad, right? But it was the opposite for me. Like, I had friends who were drug addicts, alright? And seeing their situation, I realized, oh, these are the do's and don'ts, okay? And it also helped me to gain the ability to identify who is a drug addict and who is not. First trait of them is that they seem to forget things. They are really forgetful, right? Just say, "Mero to sati thyo." I'm not a drug addict, alright? जब से मेरे को शादी थियो, he was lighting a matches with the lighter. When I entered his home, I actually saw that. Now the second trait that I recognized is that they seem to repeat the same thing again and again. Just like मेरे को शादी थियो, when I entered his room, he was lighting the matches with a lighter. That was my time, everybody. Thank you so much.
I love you all. दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूँ घर से। चाहे जिसकी तलाश है, वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए जिंदगी में आना सनम खाली हाथ आएंगे हम खाली हाथ जाएंगे बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंसने की दुनिया को रहता है मेरे दिल को आएगा आएगा वो आएगा मेरे दिल को आएगा आएगा वो मस्त ना देखिए तो मासी मामा इसकी पैंट भी है मस्त इसकी शर्ट भी है मस्त इसके मस्तर में मस्त ये है मस्त देखो ये है मस्त
इश्क में तेरे अनाउंस कर दिया